Another impeachment complaint is set to be filed today against President Marcos.
Ito, no. Kaya ako talaga, guys pasensya na. Marami tayong mga tropa, mga dilawan. Pero, kayo bahala especially dun sa mga tropa natin at sumusuporta dito sa Banat Boy Mandirigma. No? Yung sumusuporta sa akin. Ayan. Pasensya na. Medyo buwisit na ako sa mga dilawan kasi nag-file sila ng impeachment laban kay PBBM. And nasabi ko naman na yan Pag yung mga dilawan nag-file, 'di ba si Erice magpa-file din. Hindi naman din daw siya dilawa, wala daw siyang kulay, ulul. 'Di ba? Nakita natin nasa picture, no, nasa likod si Senator Laila de Lima, si Chel Jokno. Pero hindi ko sinasabi, nakita ko lang na sa parang particular na magpa-file ng tas nandun sa background. So I was just assuming. Wala pa naman akong personalidad na pinapangalanan pagdating dito. Pero I want to cut ties. Kung meron man ties with the dilawan, ulul kayo. Kami pa dadalihin nyo Hindi ako, feeling ko tapos na. Tapos na, iupo na natin si PBBM. Ngayon, kung gagamitin tayo ng mga dilawan para maiupo yung mga gusto nila, ulul. Tapos, babanatan nyo si PBBM ng ng pangkupal na ganyan, yung mga impeachment. Okay lang yan Hindi ko sinasabi na wag nyong gawin. Okay yan, ginawa nyo Karapatan nyo yan. Pero kami karapatin din namin mag-react kung ano yung reaction namin. So yung mga dilawan, alam nyo na. Darating yung mga susunod na linggo, baka pagmumurahin ko na kayo dito. Pati yung mga pati yung mga vlogger na sumusuporta sa dilawan, maghati-hati na tayo.
Over alleged betrayal of public trust tied to the national budget and the flood control scandal.
Mm.
Let's get the details. Joan Manalo tells us more. Joan, what can you tell us?
Maya's second impeachment complaint against President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. is set to be filed today by progressive groups, including Bagong Alyansang Makabayan or Bayan. However,
Mami
according
Z,
to Vice
shout out.
President Renato Reyes Jr., the complaint was not received by the Office of the Secretary General today. Reyes said the office declined to accept the complaint because the executive director present was not authorized to receive it on behalf of House Secretary General.
Kita mo? Ang tulis ng baba ng gagon to.
Cheloy Garafil, who is out of office today and is set to fly to Taiwan for an official business trip. As a result, the complainants expressed dismay over what they described as the refusal of the Office of the Secretary General to...
Kaya ako talaga, sana PBBM, no? Pakinggan nyo naman yung sigaw namin dito. Buwagin nyo na yung buwisit na na yan. Yung buwisit na party list na yan, buwisit yan Tanggalin nyo na yan. Malaki matitipid natin dyan, lalo na sa eleksyon, pag wala na yung mga kupal na party list. Tanggalin nyo na yan.
The impeachment complaint. Despite this, Bayan and the other complainants maintain that the impeachment complaint is already
Sino ba to? Si Tinyo ba to? Kaliwete pa si Tinyo.
filed and served. They argue that under House rules, an impeachment complaint need only be filed with the Office of the Secretary General.
Itong biruin nyo. Tanga-tanga din ka talaga kasi gumawa ng party list na yan. Biruin nyo, nagiging congressman yung mga ganito. Ayun no to party list Ito naman doon sa mga kasama nating guys, sa mga kasama nating mga na mga vloggers. No, pag sigaw nyo, no to party list, tapos nag-endorse kayo ng party list. Anong ka-hipokritohan yan? Kutya, no to party list, no to party list. Hindi yung po dyan, auto party list. O, eto. Ito, iboto yung party list. Hindi, siguro, baka nga, no? Hindi, pero kung hindi ka naman noto party list, tapos meron ko inendorso, maintindihan ko siguro. Pero kung sigaw mo, noto party list, tapos meron ka palang party list na inendorso, abay, naku, naloko na ang Pilipinas.
General, and that there is no requirement for the Secretary General to be personally present for the complaint to be accepted. Bayan said the complaint is being filed on the grounds of betrayal of public trust. The group further alleged
Betrayal of public trust? Yes to party na lang. Ay, Ilocano si Mami Zia.
the existence of a systematic top-down scheme of plunder, which they described as the Flood Control Project's corruption scandal from 2022 to 2025. The complaint further cites three proposed articles of impeachment, namely institutionalizing
Ta naka-formal pa si Rene. Ka-formal eh. Tingnan natin. Katakin yung baba eh. Inaano mo ko eh, ha?
complaint further cites three proposed articles of impeachment, namely institutionalizing systemic corruption and patronage, abuse of discretionary power over unprogrammed appropriations.
Sino yung nagpa-file ng ano na yan? Tatuan pa, ganon? Tayo mga tattoo pa, pampreso, putya. Nag-formal ka na, inililis mo pa paangat yung ano mo. Yung manggas mo. Gago ang putya. Ayan o. Oh, Taugama. Ay, hindi pala. Apo yata. Taga Cagayan Balik si ka. Nako. Ilocano akno hana ka makasaote Ilocano nga naunay. Hindi ko
discretionary power over unprogrammed appropriations and direct personal involvement in alleged kickback schemes. The Central
involvement, direct involved po. Mga personalidad.
complaint was endorsed by the Makabayan Bloc members in Congress, namely ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino, Gabriela Party List Representative Sara Elago, and Kabataan Party List Representative Rene Comay.
What are the next steps that these groups will take to
Samahan ng mga kupal na party list ang putya. Ayan nga mga yan, hayop ang putya.
ensure that this complaint pushes through?
As of press time, the complainants, together with the Makabayan Bloc, is on their way to the office of the House Speaker to personally inform House Speaker Boji D that their complaint was not accepted by the office of the Secretary General. This is to ensure that their complaints will be formally lodged. And para masiguro nga no na...
Tablado kayo? Wawa naman kayo. Mga bobo daw kasi kayo eh. Oh, after FPFE MSR kasi pumangit ang Pilipinas. Real talk yan. Oo nga eh.
Hindi masasayang yung pagpunta nila dito today to file their complaints. And they are also planning to go back here on Monday to ensure na talagang makakatanggap na sila ng received copy nitong kanilang complaint. Because as of the moment, their complaint is just there sitting at the office of the Secretary General. Pero dahil nga hindi ito tinanggap ng opisina, ay wala silang na-receive na received copy nitong kanilang filed complaint. May.
Thank you, John Manalo, reporting from the House.
Kayo nagpapaniwala sa mga to.